Alright, what up, y'all? It's your boy. You back again. We got another video, man. We done ordered something out the TikTok shop, as we do. This one right here is y'all probably done seen it, the Smart Garage video keypad, right? So, I don't know if y'all seen the videos and shit. They say like, hey, if your keypad look like this, which mine did. Mine looked exactly like theirs did. This old, outdated one. And apparently you can upgrade it to this one here. See and control who enters your garage, so it gives you another camera. You can give people, you know, their own little code, etc, etc. So HD video, night vision, blah blah blah. So I ain't gonna do no install video. When you get it, I'm pretty sure it's got some directions, and yeah. So yeah, cool. I like it a lot. So we're gonna be installing that. Security. All right, what up, y'all? We burned like, well, I ain't gonna say we burning midnight oil, but we working a little late tonight. As you can see over here in the corner, let me spin it around for you. As you can see over here in the corner where I did have them two shelves, those are now gone. So I just have to move the majority of my chemicals over to a shelf over here, which I should have some room. I'm going to make some room because there's, you know, shit up here like, why do I got all these fucking oil pans? So I got an oil pan right there, an oil pan right there. Oh look, an oil pan right there. Like, bro, it ain't that many. Oh look, didn't I just get this engine? What they got on the bottom of that beat? That beat got an oil pan right there. So need to try to start sourcing, selling some of this stuff, making some money off of it, or just simply simply get rid of it, trash it, scrap it. Like, if you can't make no money for it and it's hindering you from doing what you need to do, then it is a hindrance, and that shit should go. You know what I'm saying? So you heard it here first. It sounds good, but y'all know me. Y'all know me. But like, I mean, honestly, like, I don't need all these fucking oil pans. And I guarantee you, it's probably like some more oil pans in the backyard or some shit. Like, I can see one extra, maybe two, but 1, 2, 3, I'm looking at 4 just off the rip. Like, if I look in the backyard on that trailer shit, it's probably another 1 or 2, along with all them fucking heads, you know, the engine heads, as well as the headers or the exhaust manifolds. I ain't gonna never probably run them shits, man. So shit, do something with them, find somebody that want them, sell them, or like I said, shit, just get rid of them. I think sometimes that be my problem, man. I feel like I can make something out of nothing, you know, I can make some money or there's money to be made, which in some cases it is. But however, all the time, not the fucking case. Not the case at all. So you gotta let that shit go. Let it go. Let it go. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in here and cook dinner. Tonight we're having hamburger helper and shit. And yeah, shit, that's it, man. I might come back out here. I'm probably gonna come back out here. But I didn't go dashing tonight, but it is some other shit that I do need to do. Well, that I was supposed to be doing, that being that I was here physically or whatever. But like I said, I got a little carried away. It's supposed to be an hour in the garage at a minimum, but you know, we got in a little bit more. So we might get a little bit more time tonight, you know what I'm saying? But tomorrow we back to our regularly scheduled programming, and then, you know, on to some greater shit. So, oh yeah, and I found my camera. It was just on a magnet right here. know, sometimes that shit I just forgot. Oops, my bad. So yeah, man, we're gonna finish. We'll do that and then whatever. But yeah, let me just take y'all around, like, so y'all can get a good look of over here in this corner where it's gonna be like. So like my welding machine or whatever, that'll probably just move over. Like I'm gonna keep that here in the garage. But a lot of it, like after I get all these bottles and stuff and chemicals and shit put up, this is like car audio shit. That shit gotta get eventually put in the cars or whatever. But now I got a clean walking path to my board where we track our progress. Shit. I could probably move this motor. The 6.0 will go over here. You know, probably I'll put the car audio shit up under there. Maybe. But once this clears out, then I can put the engine over there and we start working on that. The welding machine will be over there. And then we could probably pull the bike up some to where it is further up, and then we still can, then we can kind of get to our workbench over there. So like I said, it's a whole lot of stuff going on. This ain't happening overnight. This ain't happening overnight. This ain't happening in a couple days. So we definitely just gonna have to take our time, take it a step at a time, and then get it to where we want it to be. So be discouraged. Consistency breeds results, even if it's just an hour a day. All right, now I know I said I wasn't gonna give you a how-to, but that ain't mean I wasn't gonna show you that I did it, right? So check this out. We installed a new keypad. So of course it's gonna light up when the little red light's on. There's night vision or whatever, I guess it's letting you know, whatever. But yeah, pretty much the same thing. If I hit the call button right there, it's gonna like call the device, my phone, let me know and see who at my garage. And then yeah, but got a camera on in there, you can see and shit. So put your code in, hit the home button, it's gonna open. Now different people can have different codes, so you can know who's going in and out your garage, etc, man. So this is pretty dope, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it for the night, man. Like I said, just gotta find somewhere to put all these chemicals and stuff. Gonna have to make some room over there, because I do got like a whole lot of a bunch of car parts up there that need to, if I ain't gonna do nothing with them, like they need to go. Like some Tudo parts, like some of it, like I said, some of the stuff, like I'm gonna go through it, see what I need, and then the rest of it I'm gonna sell. Like, it is what it is. Ain't no need in starting to keep on hoarding, you know what I'm saying? No shots at any of the hoarders out there. My boy, he a hoarder too, but hey, I get it, but sometimes it's time to just let it go. Let it go. So, yeah, man, like I said, we're gonna call it a night, man. Like I said, productivity or procrastination. That's what it's all about. That's the one that we own right now. So until the next one, man, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't worry, we're gonna get to some car shit. We just gotta handle this other shit first, because organization has to happen, and it's gonna make everything else go so much fucking quicker. I promise you, because the way that we've been doing it has not been making the desired results. But now, I'm telling you, just watch. Stay tuned.